はい、I'm back, welcome back. チームケントです。はい、今日はね、ファッションスナップ、今日働いてたスタイリストのことをフォトグラファーのスナップとか集めたものを今日も紹介していきたいと思います。ブルックリンですね。OK, let's photogenic.
あれ、部屋変わってる。
そうなんですよ。起きたらこれでした。
My name is Julia and I'm a stylist. And my Instagram is _Julia_Brooks_. And I'm wearing my favorite La Perla silk pajamas today. It was just one of those days.
So cute. What is the shoe brand?
So they're vintage.
And
I
then
found, and then these are silk pajamas by La Perla.
you put on accessory, no?
Oh, and then it's vintage.
Yeah.
I live in New York City and I'm a photographer and I model too and trying to get into acting. My Instagram is at bo.chapley, CHAPLI.
And your house brand?
Not yet. Haven't come up with a name yet, but you can shop it on my Instagram.
Wow. What kind of you sell?
Oh, they're sterling silver and they're freshwater pearls and little mother of pearl hearts. Yeah.
Good. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
I got these in Ukraine. I'm not sure where they're from, but they're really cute dress shoes, and I think they're by some British brands.
Yeah, okay. And then?
Pants vintage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kawaii.
Shirt Depop.
Depot.
Yeah. And then Burberry vintage coat.
Oh.
And this one I just found randomly, and these are made.
Yeah, so cute. She made it.
Really?
Yeah.